Hi, here I will discuss about how to create a Maven project by using command prompt MN archetype colon generate and -d group ID could be your package name com.spring demo -d artifact ID. Artifact ID could be your project name spring demo and -d version 1.0 and -d archetype artifact ID. Artifact ID is equal to Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. If you want web application rather than quick start, instead of quick start you need to enter web app, then enter. It is creating my project. It's asking package name is com.spring.demo or not. If you enter Y, it is yes. If that's not, you enter N and enter, and again you need to enter a package name. It's correct. That's why I'm entering Y and enter. Build success means it's generated a project. Thank you. We will discuss how to add dependents and all those things in next class.